So I just finished taking off the canopy here, and I did end up ordering a rear seat with a utility bed fold out, but that will replace at least these steel bars because it's missing the one that links the two anyway. It was rusted in place, at least the bolts were, and I'm going to have a job when I get the front, I forget what it's called, body off. At least right here there's a half of a bolt, and over here in the same exact spot there's the other half of a bolt. The tops came out on both sides, no problem. The other issue is if I lift this up real fast, let me show you. Yeah, that part's broken too. I have a task. Alright, so now that's up in the air. The frame for the very front, as you can see, is completely shot right there in that elbow. Probably gonna have to weld in some bed frame that I had laying around. Something thick and, hard. Very similar to, no pun intended. Same for this side, exactly the same. You can see it's ripped through right there. That's not even attached when I wiggle that. So, I don't know. I'll get it done. No way I'm buying a new frame, so there's plenty of good metal here. Those are the only two spots I saw that were bad. Everything else is solid from what I can tell, other than the battery tray, which I think I mentioned last time. I have not taken the body off yet because I'm hoping to record it, trying to figure out a way I can mount all this up and actually show you what I'm doing as I do it. What I have done so far, and right this moment, is been removing the rivets. I'll put this down real fast. So, I've read that an EZGO shell will fit this directly without any modification once I fix the frame, obviously. So I'm debating trying to find this big plastic cowl that goes all the way around, or just getting the front body frame from, a different cart. Saw one on Facebook Marketplace for like 50 bucks. The rear, I haven't noticed anything wrong with it. It does have age. You can see the age. But, for instance, I don't even know what you call this, the cargo area. This little thing is broken right here. So it might well be worth just getting the front and the rear. I'm not buying a new one if I do, unless it's really cheap. I'm not trying to put too much into it. And to be fair, this is going to be covered by the seat stuff. This kit over here in this box here. So what I've done right now is rivets. See the one there missing. This is surface rust. It doesn't go through, so that's good. As you saw from underneath, this is the worst part, right on the driver's side, obviously. Removed all those rivets, even the ones under this rubber. See, even under there, it doesn't look bad at all. It's a job. I'm going to have to take it all apart, probably pressure wash it, and then see what I got to figure out what I'm purchasing. All these boxes here have pieces in them for most of the electronic stuff. For instance, I have forward reverse switch, because I'm going to be adding that as a reversing contactor in the back. I forget what else is here. I mean, there's a whole bunch of stuff. I think I have lights. I have... Let's just look. What's in this one? Gas electric. Yep, new bushings and rods for them. That'll be good. What's this one? Oh yes, I'm planning to upgrade it to 48 volts, so I went with the RXV style plug. And the adapter for the cart is somewhere in here. So, just a few things because I didn't want to go crazy. Got a bunch of these nice angle grinder sanding discs. So, we're going to go with those and get it down to its paint if I have to. If I don't do the... I'm going to do it anyway because I need to weld the front to make it sturdy. After that's done, I'll feel a lot safer with it. That is the progress. Really haven't done much. Like I said, I removed the 2 bolts in the back, the 2 ones in the front, and 2 of them broke. So that's it right now. Happy New Year.